things I believe Pope Francis will be most remembered for. First, Pope Francis was a voice of mercy. Pope Francis called on the Church to be a place of healing and compassion, a listener more than a judge. He reminded us that mercy should be at the heart of our faith. Second, Pope Francis was a living gospel. More than just preaching the gospel, Pope Francis lived it through humility, service, and kindness. Let us take Pope Francis, our model. May his life inspire us to serve others, uphold justice, and be a beacon of compassion in the world. Amen.